Welcome to the personal property tour for 13 Mayfield Terrace in Colinsburgh. This is a 2-bedroom end terraced family property. Got lots of garden space with this one, so you've got a lovely front garden, extensive rear garden, extensive off-street parking. It's in a quiet cul-de-sac, so you're at the end of a cul-de-sac. There's no through road. You have street parking as well. You've got 2 reception rooms. You've got a lovely lounge dining room and a conservatory. This has got lots to offer. I'm going to flip the camera and take you on the tour location-wise. So literally the public car parking's down here, nothing coming through as you can see. Isn't that beautiful? And that's the property. Lots of front area with the garden. I'm going to take you on the tour. So to come into the garden, instantly you'll see just how lovely and welcoming it is. You've got this lovely porch there as well. And your gate to the side. If I just flip the camera, you'll see just another look at the garden, how lovely that is. So peaceful. We'll head into the entrance porch. So a lovely welcoming space. And once we come in here as well, you'll actually see the views. So if I just zoom in a little bit there, you can see right across to Edinburgh. How wonderful is that? Beautiful. So we'll come into the main entrance hallway. And you'll see that's a lovely spacious hallway as we come in, nice and bright. Then we're going to start upstairs. So we're now upstairs. So you've got your hatch for your attic, lots of storage space up there. And we're going to go straight ahead into the first of the double bedrooms. So instantly you can see how much space is on offer with these rooms. There's big cabinetry in there, lots of space. Nice and bright, big windows, letting lots of natural light in. It's a big king size bed. Again, offering a lot of space. You have this lovely views over the garden. Just give you a wee sneak peek. So we head out of this bedroom, we go into bedroom number 2. So again, straight into the hallway, into bedroom number 2. And again, a lovely big space. So we have lots of cabinetry in here. Nice furniture pieces. Showing lots of space. Again, it's a king size bed. You've got lots of room in here with that. Beautiful views over the front. So that's your front garden. If I zoom in there, you can see the fields just over to Colinsburgh here too. Isn't that lovely? Straight ahead. Beautiful. And again, as we said, it's a no through road, so lovely and peaceful down there. So great sized room. You've got a big walk-in cupboard here as well. Plenty of storage. Lots of space on offer. We head back out into the hallway. Then across the hallway you go into the family bathroom. So again, a good space. So nice and bright again. Nice big window. You have your bath with your thermostatic shower control above. You've got your sink and your WC as well. So lovely space there. We're going to head downstairs. So we're down into the main porch area. So we're going back into the main entrance hallway. So again, you can see there's really great storage under the stair here. There's also a light in there as well, so lots of space. We're going to go into the lounge area. So we're going to the lounge. Lovely spacious lounge and dining area. You've got dual aspect windows, so it's lovely and bright in here. So you've got lots of lounge space, but you also have the bonus of having this dining set area. You could actually potentially use this as a home office area as well. Lovely big window to the front of the property overlooking the garden, as you can see. Lots of colour, so peaceful. Beautiful. And then you'll see the length of the room, and as I say, lots of space for your dining. You also have this fireplace over here as well. And then you've got a lovely big window to the rear which overlooks the garden. And again, beautiful space. It's a lovely big lounge. Great dining space or home office working space as well. Really versatile living space actually for a family. We'll go back out into the hallway. So we'll go into the hallway. And then straight ahead, I'm going to the kitchen. So we'll come into the kitchen, you'll see it's a galley style kitchen. Lots of space, nice big window overlooking the side garden. Lots of space for your white goods. As you can see, room for there. You've also got double cabinetry here, white goods under here too. And then you take this door, and the bonus with this one, you have the conservatory at the rear of the property as well. So it's a lovely additional space. It's a lovely conservatory area overlooking the rear garden. Really nice space. We're going to head out into the garden. So we'll come out of the conservatory into the side garden. So if we come down here, you can see that this is the gate to the front. So this is where you would enter from the side of the property. So lots of space. You'll be surprised as we go through this garden just how big it is. So you've got great space down here for your bin area as well, which is great. You've got this lovely big shed and summer house workshop. From here you can see the conservatory. You've got a beautiful garden. Look at that. It's so pretty. Lots of colour. Lovely and landscaped. You've got this great seating area over here as well. It's really enclosed, nothing overlooking. The sun is shining all day here as well, which is great. If I just show you from this angle, you can see the rear of the house. So this is a family living area. This is their social space. But plus, if we go through this gate, this is the part that Kate's giving. So when we come in here, you can see instantly we've got a lovely storage area again here. We've got a nice big shed. You have a great greenhouse as well. And it just keeps going. This is your driveway. This comes with the property. This actually leads all the way down to Fairfield Road. This is a substantial driveway. Lots of outdoor space here. I'm just going to run down to the bottom. So as I say, this comes out at Fairfield Road. So it couldn't be better for a family, because literally right there is Colinsburgh Primary School. How fantastic is that if you're a young family? And this is the rear part of the garden. Isn't that great? So much space comes with it. So you've got the wrought iron double gates. These do close. The owners were parked in the drive when I arrived, and you've got all this driveway. You could literally get 4 or 5 cars on this. But what an opportunity with an end terrace property at no through road to potentially extend. Obviously you'd need the necessary planning, but such a great space. So much ground here. Very rare actually in the street that you have this amount of outdoor space. And I've taken about 70 steps just to get back to the main garden area. So you get a feel for really just what's on offer here. So we'll go back into the main garden. And again, you see this lovely space. Isn't that lovely? So just to recap, 13 Mayfield Terrace. It's a 2-bedroom end terrace property. Lots of opportunity to extend with necessary planning, of course. You've seen how much garden space you've got. You've got off-street parking. You're at the end of a through road, so there's nothing coming past your property. It's in a great location. You're literally right next to Colinsburgh Primary School. 5 minutes, you're at Dunbarney Golf Club. You're at Knocker Estate. 8 minutes, you're in Ely. You're at the beaches, the restaurants, the cafes, the harbours. So much on offer here. It's golf central as well, so fantastic for sports people, cycling, walking, just so much lifestyle on offer here. This property is coming to market with ourselves, offers over £140,000. If it's of interest to you, you can message me here directly. Likewise, you can contact the team on 01334 654 221. It's Perry at Fife Properties 3. Take care, bye bye.